Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open the app now and focus on the first steps. You'll set up access and protect your identity. Create or import a wallet, then write down the seed phrase and store it offline. This prevents account loss. Make a strong app password and enable biometric or PIN lock so you don't rely solely on device security. Once done, check permission requests and deny anything unrelated. This limits data exposure and keeps your browsing private from the start. Now begin using the app with privacy-first settings. Select a private search engine and configure tracker and cookie controls. Turn on fingerprinting and script protections to reduce device fingerprinting. This makes you harder to track across sites. Open a fresh private tab for sensitive accounts and consider connecting the app to a VPN or Tor bridge if you need stronger network privacy. Make sure to close tabs and clear temporary data when finished so local traces are removed immediately. To finish, lock the app and perform a secure backup of your seed phrase in 2 offline spots. This safeguards recovery. Verify any transactions or permission prompts before you approve them, and use the app's read-only preview when available so you see exactly what will run. If something goes wrong, like failed connections or loading errors, restart the app, toggle your VPN or Tor bridge, check network permissions, and update the app. These steps usually resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.